Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Memorial Day Friday. That's right, this is the first of 3 days of fun down here in the Wildwood. Technically 4, because you have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But right now we're live on the world's greatest boardwalk, or America's boardwalk. It is such a beautiful night. There is no rain, there is no fog. Right now we are walking south down the boardwalk from North Wildwood down to Mariners Pier at Skellinger Avenue. There's a little bit of a breeze tonight. It would be who of you to wear long pants and shoes? Yeah, for once I'm actually wearing shoes on the boardwalk in Memorial Day weekend. Normally I'm wearing my flip-flops. I hope that you're all enjoying your night so far. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section, because we are live. I can answer all of your questions. Someone says, are there fireworks tonight? No, Friday night fireworks do not start until June 22nd, so you got plenty of time. Hi, how are you? Yes. Hi, how are you? Yeah, sure. I'm live at the moment. So.
My stepdad thinks you're the coolest guy. Let me send a picture.
Nice meeting you guys. Stay safe. We've got Joe's Pizzeria on the right. And it is a beautiful night. Make sure you have your hoodie with you. I got my hoodie on just in case. Well, I mean, it's a little chilly with the wind, but it's still a beautiful night. This weekend's going to be gorgeous, so hopefully you're on your way or you're coming tomorrow morning. You're going to need your bathing suit. It's going to be great. Hopefully I'll see you on the beach. The rides are going. What questions you guys have for me? Let me know in the comment section. And of course, I'm filming tonight a update video, not an update video, but more or less a opening day video for Surfside Pier, because today was its first day, and so was Adventure Pier, but I don't think we're going to make it all the way down there tonight. You got Fun and Sweet over here open, and the Retro Arcade. Someone says, can you believe it's that time again? Yes, it is. I can't believe it, but I do believe it because I'm here. Did you girls want a hat? Ah, yes. So the group that won Eurovision, Ukrainian group, their whole hat is a pink hat. It's like a, they call them the bucket hats. So they're pink, so that's what they pointed out. Yep, Memorial Day weekend, guys. I hope you're having a good time. Someone says, Randy, yeah, we just passed Randy. Someone says, Joey, what are you getting more bags? Actually, bags are getting delivered on Tuesday. So I'll put them online as soon as I get the confirmation order. But on Tuesday, we're looking at June 1st. So stay tuned for that. Here's the tram car, guys. It's the Coca-Cola one. Say with me, guys, watch the tram car. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? We're going to It's Sugar? Yeah, go inside. They want to go to It's Sugar. Now, it's not a donut. It's not open right now. Some people have questions, but let me tell you, I saw pictures of them. They look absolutely amazing. The girls wanted to go into It's Sugar. They're going to go in there. We're going to hang out here for a moment. Let's see right here. Are the tram cars, are all the tram cars running? No, not every single tram car, but a decent amount of them are. Someone says, nice, can't wait for Friday night fireworks, June 24th. I believe they start on Friday, I think it's June 22nd, if I remember correctly. But, oh, it's the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page. You want to wave? Say hi, everyone. We'll continue walking down the boardwalk in a second. I know a lot of questions came in. Let me answer them. Someone says, Bel Air Hotel and the Crest sold. Yes, it did a few weeks ago. Let's see what other questions you guys have for me. Let's see here. Someone says, what is Miss Fascination? Okay. Someone says, hi, Julia and her sister. Oh, hey. Oh, yes. All right. So for those who don't know, we actually got Julia's sister from Ukraine this past weekend. So she's our little refugee at the moment. She's staying with us as long as she wants. You know, the things that she's seen. We can save that for another video because we're on the boardwalk right now, but that's a whole other story. But this is her first time on the Wildwood Boardwalk, and I have to say, it's really interesting to see someone for the first time be on the Wildwood Boardwalk, because ultimately, you know, I've been here my entire life. It's this way. Yeah. So ultimately, you know, it's nice to see someone for the first time experience Wildwood. So it's kind of cool. Someone says, how's the new boards? Let me flip it around for you. And someone says the doo-wop diner back there is for sale. Yes, Route 60. Yes, it is. So, but the new section of the boardwalk is starting right here at Maple Avenue. That's right. Say hi, guys. Someone says they want to buy a house down here. Well, my mother's a realtor down here, so, you know, you let me know. We got you covered. And here's the new section of the boardwalk. You guys already want to know, is it dirty yet? That's a funny question to actually ask, because ultimately things do get very dirty very quickly anywhere, especially when you get hundreds of people, actually thousands of people a night walking on them. But no, at the moment it's still clean, so nothing to worry about there. The old-time photo, this is actually quite interesting. I don't know what's going on there. It doesn't look like it's going to be an old-time photo anymore. Do you guys see that? I don't know what's going on there. It looks like it's going to be a regular store. Look, guys, the old-time photo's gone. You see that? I don't even know what it's going to be. Also, didn't know there were steps in the back. I learn something new every day. But here is the new boardwalk, and it still smells new. That's the funny thing. It actually still smells new. Brenda, if you're looking for a house down here, my mother and my father both are realtors in the state of New Jersey. Dad's a realtor in PA as well. And if you actually go in the Wildwood Video Archive, I have their business card up there you can check out, or you can send me a message later on. And yes, these are the new boards. Take a look at them. They look great. And it still smells new, like I said before. It smells brand new. And someone asking about the tram car, where's it going? This is the path for the tram car here, like we talked about before, and you can see it right there in front of me. It's headed our way. And I'm trying to see who's driving. Trying to see if my buddy Tim's working. So it's driving on this part, not on the other part. So it's following on the other side of where the tram car goes. So. Someone says, could you point the camera down so we can see it? Sure. You mean the floor? Yeah, here. It's still clean, don't worry. Telling you, it smells nice. It still smells brand new. And here is Max Pizza. Good old Max Pizza. Here's Douglas Fudge. Someone says I'm going fast. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a fast walker. Used to that on the boardwalk. Actually, this is quite slow for me. I know I'm going to actually walk faster. If I walked my normal speed, you guys would be like, yo, can you slow down? Because this is normally how fast I walk. Jewel, you can actually smell. Can you smell clusters? Clusters is new on the boardwalk as well, guys. I know. I don't know. So there you guys go. I'm going to let you guys go for the night. I want to thank you for joining me. I am filming a recap video for the entire Memorial Day weekend, which I'll put on the Wildwood archive. I filmed an opening night video for Surfside Pier, which I'm going to put on for tomorrow morning. You can check that out. And ultimately, guys, I'm so excited because this weekend means that summer is right around the corner, and I'm so excited to see you guys down here having a good time and making some beautiful memories. Anyway, I'm Joey. You know, as always, guys, I'll see you on the beach right over here. Stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.